Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log out of Activision account on Call of Duty Cold War. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your activision.com on your browser and simply sign in as well. So once you're done signing in, all you have to do is go ahead, tap on this option of profile on top. Once you have done so, it will simply access this another tab which includes this option of account linking on top. Here in this section you will be able to find all of the linked accounts that you have, including this option of a PlayStation account on top or link with battle.net, whatever. So wherever you have been accessing that game of yours, all you have to go to link account and simply choose to unlink. As we can see, we have connected it with Xbox Live account. So if you tap on this unlink, we simply will be able to unlink from Xbox, and when I access there, I won't be able to access it. I will be logged out of. So for that, all you have to do is access the account where you are linked, tap on this unlink option which will be given, and you will be able to unlink, aka get logged out of there. So this is the simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.